Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sok Chea, a periodontist and a course director of Neobiotech Cambodia, proudly representing Cambodia Neobiodent Dental Supply Co. Limited. We are very excited about the upcoming Neobiotech World Symposium 2026, which will be held in Hanoi, Vietnam on April 18 and 19th. This global event will be a great opportunity to meet dentists around the world, share your experience, and learn from one another. Most importantly, let's explore the latest innovation from Neobiotech together. I am very much looking forward to reconnecting with Neobiotech family and meeting many new colleagues. To take this opportunity, I would like to warmly invite and encourage all Cambodian doctors to join us or be a part of this inspiring international event. See you in Hanoi. Thank you.